Hey Matthew, it's Jack over at Anchor Cars Tadley, just sending you that walk around video as promised of the Ford S-Max. Overall the vehicle's in a good condition for its age and mileage, we're quite happy with it. See alloy over there. And the alloy along this side as well. The rear all seems to be in a good condition. You can actually fold those middle row of seats down just from a button press here, which works surprisingly well. I'll put up seat 6 and 7 for you as well. That way we can go round the back in a moment. Alloys on this side both seem to be in a good condition. Continue to walk around. If we pop our heads inside quickly, the rear seats both seem to be in a good condition. All of these seats are individually adjustable as well, i.e. with height and stuff like that, with the seat reclining and stuff like that. You can all adjust. Keyless entry is supported on this one as well. All round electric windows, electric mirrors. If I jump in for you and we will get the car started. Starts up without an issue. All the computers are just loading up. We do have dual zone air conditioning. Obviously being a Ford, we've got the electric front windscreen as well. Heated seats in the front as well is always a very useful feature. Cruise control, speed limiter, Bluetooth hands-free controls are all here as well. Auto lights. Navigation comes up as well. You'll have all your different radio systems, DAB, AM, FM. You do have Bluetooth as well. You've got plenty of settings to be able to choose to play around with. Like I said, heated seats in the front, dual zone air conditioning as well. Nice auto dimming rear mirror. And you've got your secondary mirror in case you want to keep an eye on someone in the back as well. And we do have the sunglasses holder as well. Automatic gearbox, like I said, as well. Electric handbrake. So yeah, overall the vehicle's in a good condition. I'm quite pleased with it. If there is any further questions, concerns, queries you've got, just let me know. You can also see more information on the vehicle on our website, which I'll include a link to you as well. You can also see the different options we have for guarantees on there as well. So you can choose from a 3-month, 3,000 mile guarantee that's just with us here at our garage in Tadley, a 15-month nationwide guarantee, or a lifetime of ownership guarantee as well. They're both nationwide as well. Do you have anything else you'd like to know? Just let me know. Otherwise, hopefully looking forward to seeing you this weekend. Take care and enjoy yourself.